We are pleased to show you the 2018 X1. Based on the BMW 3 Series, the X1 is a compact crossover SUV. Slightly smaller than the X3, the X1 gives you all the refinements, power, and style of other BMWs in a slightly smaller, sporty, and easy-to-navigate option, and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, keyless entry, dual airbags, air conditioning, panoramic moonroof, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.